Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use accordion element in wpbakery WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website, and after that in the plugin sections, here you can see I have installed wpbakery page builder plugin. Just you can get this plugin from their official website. Here you can see for $59. Then you can check the pricing for the packages, and if you have multiple websites then you can select these two packages. Okay, after that simply you can go here, add new plugin, then you can upload the plugin file. Make sure that you are uploading zip file format, otherwise you can get error. So let's go back to the pages and edit one of the page, and here you can see you can directly go edit with wpbakery page builder. Now here you can see it has backend editor as well as front-end editor. Scroll down and let's add a new row. Then after that again click on plus icon. Now let's search for accordion. Here you can see collapsible content panels. So you can easily create FAQ section. So this is for the accordion settings, and this is for the tabs, something submenu. Now let's click on accordion, and here we can add some title. For example, this is accordion. Then here you can add title tag, for example h2, h3. Let me select this one. Then let's change style to the modern, and here you can select the shape. So these are various variants, and let me select the color. Let's select a different color. Okay, then this is also for the spacing, alignment. Let's align into the center. Okay, these are the some options, and after that for the section, here you can replace with your own title, for example question 1. Then save changes, and let's add something here, for example text block, and here you can add your own text. And then for the section 2, click here and let's add something different. For example, I want to add some image. Simply you can upload image file from your laptop. Let me select the image from here. Okay, after that again you can duplicate whatever you want. Then you can change the section titles. For example section 2, 3 questions, whatever. Then click on preview, scroll down, and here you can see how it works. Just you can easily open any of the question. Then after that final step is click on update. In this way you can easily add accordion in your WordPress website.